Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Monday. So we're gonna unbox this. This we got at the Adidas at Citadel. They were having some kind of on sale, but you have to be sure and read the sign correctly because I thought one of the bag was about it has a 30% off, but actually you only take like $3 off. But anyway, it's still like a pretty okay price. And we've got like 3 pieces of items from Adidas. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let me take out the receipt. So first item will be this one. This is the black and grayish shorts. It's pretty nice. Adidas. Here is the tag. It says on sale for $19.99. And this one we got additional 30% off. So this one was only like $13.99, which is a pretty good price. And then here is the label. This is a size medium. Made in Vietnam. What kind of material is this? Should be polyester, but anyway, on the inside here, you got your draw cord. Well, kind of only a single drawstring with a nut. And you got your right-hand side pocket. Left and right. You have this elastic waistband, okay? And then that's it. Jumping to the next one. Next one will be this one, the white. This one is the Clima Cool. Size medium. Wow, it says $25 original retail price. What? I'm sorry, it's size small. So let's see. And then we got this on sale, which is only $9.99. Right here, if you don't believe me, $9.99, and then the black short is $13.99. Okay, and then come with this labels again. This one is not made in Vietnam. What's this from? Cambodia. All right. Wow, first time it was from Cambodia. Normally it's from China or Vietnam. And this one has a draw cord as well, which is cool. And you got the elastic waistband again. This one doesn't have pockets. So this one no pockets at all, okay? And you got your Adidas 3-stripe on the side. It's kind of hard to see because it's white on white. You got the Adidas embroidery right here on the, what is it? Right leg area. What? It's on the back. That's weird. Okay. The embroidery is on the back. That's kind of uncommon. So anyway, we got this, the last piece would be this media safe line pocket. Alright. Wow. This look like 3M. And you got the zipper right here. It's like a pretty soft fabric right here. Maybe for your phone or your tablet, whatever. This one original price was $18. At first I thought this was like 30% off, become 12 something, and unfortunately this one is $14.99, which is $3 off only. And it says Alliance sack pack, black color, made in China. That's the barcode right there. Alliance 2. And you can wear this on your back, which is nice. So yeah, my son needs this for the basketball. So it seems like on this side, left and right, you put your shoes in there to separate from your basketball gear. And then there is a label right there. What does that say? Gentle wash by hand, do not bleach. Line dry. February 1st, 2018. Made in China, 100% polyester. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys like these unboxing videos, and then be sure to hit that thumbs up and then subscribe button. Be sure to turn on that bell for notification and drop any comments on below. Anyway, go out there and then get your deal before it ends. But I'm pretty sure they always have a deals at the outlets. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out. Oh, let me do a 3M, see if it is reflect or not.